Okay, another tip is I pre-make lots of little pizzas. Pigs in a blanket are going in next, and then with leftover dough, I'm making cinnamon rolls. Pizza for dinner, and then these I'm going to let cool down and put them in the freezer. I use my everything dough, and I'm going to put the recipe down there. This is a great way to save money because snacks and desserts is a huge income expense, but if you make and this is such an easy dough, it is literally foolproof. And so yeah, so I'm gonna put these in and let them cool, put them in gallon-sized bags, and that is a great way to save on food. Okay, now a little tip in order to make your produce last longer is wash it, take it out of the container, and you're gonna cut it up. And you're going to put in a different container that has a paper towel at the bottom. And this will soak up any of the extra juices and it will last longer in your fridge. And I do this for my girls. They love strawberries, but sometimes strawberries just go so bad if you don't eat them right away. And this makes them last like twice as long. So there is my tip on saving on produce. I also do the same thing for grapes. Also, instead of buying bagged lettuce, you'll save a lot of money if you just buy heads of romaine, head of lettuce, and cut it up yourself. Pre-chopped lettuce goes bad so fast in the fridge, but this has a longer shelf life. So that will save you money in the long run if you just take a little bit of time to chop it up yourself. The same trick applies. Just put some strong paper towels at the bottom. Put your lettuce in, and it will give it even a longer shelf life.